Alright guys, if you haven't figured it out, I'm heading over to the Irving Nature Park. Do a nice lap around it, and maybe stop to make a coffee. Sitting around minus 12, minus 14. I'm just going to back up a bit here. I'm just going to take a run out on the beach, have a little look. Hey. It's a nice day, not too windy, cold, but bearable. Alright, head back up, do a loop around the park. Doesn't look plowed. Maybe go in and check it out anyways. It doesn't seem too bad. A lot of foot traffic in here. It's got it down, beaten down pretty good, so I'm going to give it a try. Down to the usual dock. Have to come down to this dock. It's a beautiful spot. I don't know if you hear that wind. Probably can. She's a little cool out here. Feel it in my fingertips a bit, but still worth it. Beautiful spot. There's a tower up on that mountain here, the hill. I'm going to try to find. All right, time to head back. Hey buddy, how you doing guys? My GoPro batteries died. It's really cold out and it's just not handling it at all. I'll see what I can do with the videos that I do have, and hopefully I can record my coffee here at the end. Alright, thanks. GoPro battery died. It's too cold out. stopped out and made some coffee up in the tower. Enjoying the scenery. Using my phone, by the way. But yeah, nice day. A lot of people out. Really cold, but sun's out. Love it. Thanks, guys.